Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is a macro created and written by Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts. I was over at a friend's house last night, and he has both color palettes open. If you're a printer, don't have but one. If you're an engraver, don't have but one. Engravers need RGB. Most printers, I think, need CMYK. And if we look, this is a CMYK black. This is why engravers use RGB black, because look at the difference in the black. So this is an RGB black. Well, Mr. Brewer, so like this is a CMYK, CMYK, that's an RGB, CMYK. I'm going to select all these, and I'm going to select selected shapes only, and I'm going to turn them all to RGB. Now, it did it. Now, a lot of people maybe not understand. This is RGB, 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 if you're looking right down here, but it's not the same color as the blue of a CMYK. Like this is the blue of of RGB. This is the new blue. It is an RGB, it's just got different numbers because it's not changing the color, it's taking the color and turning it into an RGB. And or vice versa. If somebody sends you a file in CMYK, you can turn them all to RGB and vice versa. If somebody sends you an RGB, you can turn them all because in his macro, he has you can do either one. So we're going to go here now and turn them CMYK. Okay, I only had one shape selected. I need to open that back up, select all these shapes. Well, I didn't get all the black one, and select it only in CMYK. So now all these shapes are CMYK. So if you're going to print it now, it's a different red, and those might be the same, but see, it's a different blue because it's not going to change it to, well, it did change it to an RGB blue or CMYK blue, but it's not going to like automatically change the color. It's more for your machine to know that it can print it. And as always, you can take any color and hold down the control button, add a little white and make the color lighter. You can add a little light blue. So you can make your own color. Anyway, I'll leave my email at the bottom of the video if you would like that macro. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.